Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on how I resurface my heads. These aren't bad at all, but I'm just going to give them a quick surface before I put them back on. Need a flat piece of marble or glass. I use the 3M wet dry sandpaper. Start with the 320. Start with the 220, end with the 320. For these, since they're not bad, I'm not gonna do the 220 today. And then you need some contact adhesive. All right, so just gonna spray your piece of marble or whatever. Stick it on there. I'm gonna make sure you get it as, you want to make sure it's flat, obviously, so you don't want to use too much adhesive. Let's do this. That feels pretty flat. Then you're gonna take your WD-40 or lubricant of some kind. You can spray it on there. You want to use a good amount of this. Grab your head. These are 25D heads. Just set it on there and start grinding it. Definitely really helps to have a couple clamps holding your slab down. All right. Just grab a rag. That was about a minute on the stone. Those are just about ready to go back on. You just need a hot tank before you do anything else. I like to do this because it doesn't take much material off at all. These lines, it's pretty hard to get rid of those with the 320 grit, but you can get those out of there with the 220 for sure. I can't feel these with my fingernails, so I'm not worried about it. I've probably saved hundreds of dollars over the years doing all my head work myself. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. There's a before. Not too bad, but definitely cleaned up pretty nice. Resurfacing your heads is so easy, even your girlfriend can do it.